Hello everyone! We're delighted to have you with us today. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of configuring workflows in elDoc. To get started, go to the Administration menu and click on Workflow Designer. Here, you can either modify existing workflows or create new ones by clicking the Add button. To begin configuring your workflow, first, click on the Edit button to enable editing mode. Next, provide a descriptive name for your workflow and define the phases your workflow will have. For each workflow phase, you have the flexibility to configure different settings to tailor the workflow to your specific needs. Let's walk through how to configure settings for the approval document workflow phase together. In your document workflow, you have the flexibility to configure essential settings. You can enable or disable file template replacement, which allows you to substitute templates as needed. Additionally, you can control and restrict file attachment downloads, enhancing document security. Moreover, you can specify how file attachments should be opened by users, whether in online edit mode, enabling simultaneous editing by multiple users, or as a preview in image format, among other options. Additionally, you have the capability to enable settings that optimize document workflow approval iterations. If a document is sent for repeated approval, and you wish to exclude previous parties who have already provided approval from being involved again in the approval process, you can easily enable this setting. This optimization streamlines the workflow and prevents unnecessary re-engagement of previous approvers. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to define how documents should progress to subsequent stages within the workflow. You can specify whether certain conditions must be met for progression, or if the document should move forward automatically upon receiving unconditional final approval. One of the most crucial aspects is the flexibility to customize your workflow route. You can opt for a flexible route, which allows workflow authors to dynamically determine the parties to include in the approval phase and their sequence. Alternatively, a fixed workflow route is ideal when you have a standardized, unchanging route with a predefined list of participants who must engage in the approval process in a specific order. For other workflow phases, you can similarly configure settings to suit your specific needs. These diverse options provide the flexibility to tailor your workflow precisely to your organization's requirements, ensuring seamless and efficient processes. Once you've finished configuring your workflow settings, simply save them, and you're ready to launch your workflow immediately. Take advantage of the elDoc free trial to see how you can efficiently automate document workflows within your company.